This is the Clitoria ternate, commonly known as the blue butterfly pea flower and blue ternate. The plant is a native to Equatorial Asia. The flower is commonly used in cooking, baking, and drinks and as a natural food coloring. The Clitoria ternate is also used in traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. This flower has a lot of benefits. Number 1, improve eyesight. The presence of the antioxidant prothocyanidin helps to improve eyesight by increasing blood flow in the capillaries of the eyes, which also allows the eyes to adjust to changes in light and improves visions. The blue butterfly pea vine flowers have been shown to effectively prevent cataracts and glaucoma, correct the blurred vision, and reverse retinal damage, as well as soothing inflamed and tearing eyes. This is also good for the hair because of the richness in bioflavonoids has been used traditionally to promote hair growth, thicken the hair, and reduce graying of the hair. Improve skin. Antioxidant in blue butterfly pea flower stimulate collagen and elastin synthesis, helping to rejuvenate the skin, reduce the wrinkles and other effects of aging skin. Aphrodisiac. Traditionally used as an aphrodisiac, particularly for women, and used to treat problems associated with menstruations, as well as leukorrhea, or what you call is white vaginal discharge. Enhance memory. Nootropic enhances cognitive functions, including heightening intelligence and enhancing memory via acetylcholine localized to the hippocampus. Anxiolyhic. Butterfly pea has a calming effect on the body, reducing stress and anxiety. This is also for anti-anxiety and depressions. Indications are that high doses of butterfly pea may be adaptogenic, helping the body deal with stressors. This is also a diuretic. Promote excretion of water or urination, which decrease blood volume, thereby lowering blood pressures. Also used for fasting, but typically temporary weight loss. Clitoria ternate has been used traditionally as a local anesthetic, as it has been shown to help relieve pain and swelling. Anti-pyretic. Blue ternate also helps reduces fever by dilating the blood vessels just beneath the skin, which increases blood flow near the surface of the skin, where it can be more easily cooled by the air. Anti-convulsant. Butterfly pea has been shown to help reduce the severity and stress on the body from convulsions, useful in treating epilepsy. Anti-diabetic. Butterfly pea has shown to inhibit glucose intake from the diet. Anti-cancer and anti-tumor abilities resulting from cyclotides that cause cell death by disrupting cell membrane and integrity. If you want to know how to prepare blue ternate tea, please go to my description below. And thank you so much for watching my video.